amazing how she won't do it if she sees the camera, but the second the camera goes undercover. Yeah.
Move, Brody.
Give me that hand.
Alright, one more, girl. Girl. Brody, back up. Here, girl.
Give that to me. Afamada.
There's no more on there, Lovey. Is the shirt getting in the way?
No, the dog is now.
Brody, back up. Okay, ready?
Ready?
I think she's ready. Brody, back up.
Forget it.
Alright. La la.
Yeah.
My hand, girly. My hand doesn't have anything on it. Oh, she wants to play with her brother now. Okay. Do you want food or you want to play with Matthew? What's this? What's this? Oh, alright, meow. Okay, Matthew's gone.
It's on.
He's back. Everybody wants some of the sweet potatoes.